Wow, what a time we're living in, eh? And working from home has become the new normal. So I don't know about you, but I need all the help I can get to create a calm working space that promotes well-being. So if you're a bit of a stress ball like me, try experimenting with muted blues and greens, which create a sense of calm. But actually, if all you need is a really big cuddle because you're missing human interaction, then look for earthy tones or red and yellow-based neutrals, which provide warmth and grounding. But remember, the key to creating a calming space is to choose colours that best fit you. So really think about how they make you feel. And do try out colour cards and brush out boards like these in your local Brewers. But remember to take samples home to try out in the light that you have available. And then, peace out, man. And then get back to work.